Hey DIYers, Jimmy here with JPS, and today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a slow draining sink. So usually the cause of a slow draining sink is going to be the Ptrap. So our goal today is going to be to get the Ptrap removed and cleaned. So let's not waste no more time and jump right into it.
This one right here, for every homeowner or person out there with a plumbing issue. You wanna do it yourself? JPS where to go. When that toilet don't flush right, or that sink clog, Jimmy's Plumbing Solutions gon' help you fix it all. With 10 years in the game in this plumbing trade, he don't wanna ask for help, I know that's why you came. Hook up that kitchen faucet with step-by-step plumbing knowledge. Do it yourself, cause it can save you a couple dollars. For minor issues every homeowner yet to see, JPS can say today we solving problems easily. No need to fear a couple pipes and some standing water. Just watch the videos here and we can get it in order. Come ask a question, leave a comment, like and subscribe. If plumbing tips are what you need, that's what he supplies.
Two buckets will be required to complete this task, one small bucket and one bigger bucket. Okay guys, so the first step is going to be to place your small bucket under your Ptrap and remove your Ptrap. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that right now. I'm already seeing a bunch of gunk. I'll show you right here in a second. So I don't know if you can tell, but right here, along the sides, and here, it's a very dirty Ptrap. It also smells a little funky too. Alright. Okay guys, so step 2 is going to be to clean your Ptrap. So we get our big bucket full of either hot or cold water, doesn't really matter. But, so what we're going to do is we're just going to clean it out. Put some water in, shake it around. You can see already the debris from the Ptrap breaking up. Okay, looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see in the bucket, but we got a bunch of just gunk floating around in there. And yeah, all that stuff is causing a slow drain for this sink. Okay guys, so step number 3 is going to be to replace the Ptrap. Okay, got Ptrap all hooked up. And there you go, you just fixed your sink. Now if it's still draining or a little slow, then it might be a bigger issue that might require a sink machine, which I'll be making a video soon about how to work that. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, happy plumbing, guys.